Okay, we have a 2015 Honda Civic. We end up adding the shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm system to stop the airbag theft in this particular vehicle. He didn't want to install another alarm and have to carry another remote control around. So we suggested is to add the shock sensor to it and incorporates to the factory alarm. So if anybody tries to break the keyhole or break the window, the alarm will fire off. We're going to illustrate that right now. I'm going to go ahead and tap the keyhole. Turn off the alarm system by hitting unlock so everything stays factory. This is the shock sensor add-on to this red 2015 Honda Civic. This is Auto Alarm Specialist. Yes, we do have free mobile service. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. Thank you for watching this video.